ETC, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy, but when the price was here, we mentioned the way it's moving, we cannot get the proper trade setup because we mentioned we have to wait for the breakout of the stop. Okay, the only way to trade either have an entry above this, or rather than that, we didn't have any trade setup. And if anyone get the trade from here, I think no, they should start to manage. Okay. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We start with daily chart. What we want to see whether the price can break the previous stop for continuation or not. Almost there, almost 18. Okay, and if we wanted to trade, I mean, as long as the price haven't broke the previous stop based on lower time frame, we need to be quite careful. We consider it as a short-term trade. But what we want for the breakout and continuation. And based on daily chart, we have nothing. The only thing is we move to lower time frame, and this is what we get. See, almost at the top. Now we want to see whether there is a continuation or not. Okay. Anyway, if we want to look for buy, we need to get the trade set up. Either we get a correction here or after the breakout of this, and if we like, we can look for buy. Okay. By the way, we have nothing to discuss based on forward chart. The only thing is we need to see, we have a divergence when we put this two in relative to each other. And how about the MACD? All right. We don't have a divergence. And the only thing is, as I mentioned, if we want to look for trade, we need to get the trade set up. We don't want to buy at the top. Okay. We cannot jump into the trade, even based on 1 hour chart. If we get any flag, we can look for buy. The best thing is if we wait for the breakout of the previous top, any flag above that, we can look for buy. By the way, if we get any flag here, also we can look for buy, but we need to be careful. I mean, we need to watch out whether the price can break 18 or not. Okay, mostly we're expecting for the continuation. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup, but if we get, we are looking for buy. And the only thing is, as I mentioned, we were looking for the breakout. From now until the price break the previous stop, we need, if we get any trade, I mean any correction from here, if we get any trade, we need to have a proper management. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.